act of creation is to create something, to make something. To do that, you need to do. You need to act. But a lot of things happen before that action ever occurs. You observe, you communicate that externally, you bring things together. You play around with it a little bit. You have a feeling, you have an attachment, an emotion to it. And so do the people that you are giving your creation to or selling your creation to. And then there's a value set that enables you to identify with what you're creating as being part of who you are or who your organization is. And then there is do. That is the actual formation of that creative act.